waste this time, this time. Oh, why do I fall for it every time? I'd do anything to keep you mine. So just call my name, tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay? And I'll play your games, as long as the fire doesn't fade away. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Nipunagar Rathod and I am from class 12 biology, Yash Public Senior Secondary School. My model is based on biodiversity. So this is greenhouse effect. There are so many endangered species present here and there are so many trees. It is help in making our environment atmosphere healthy. Thank you so much.
Myself Husna Azan. I'm from class 12th Bio from Yash Public Senior Secondary School, and my model is based on algae synthesis. It is the process in which we can determine the disorder or disability of an individual.
My name is Mona Dorwal. I am student of class 12 from Village Public Senior Secondary School, and my topic is embryonic development. It is the stage of embryonic development conditions. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rudra Yadav, and I am from Yash Public Senior Secondary School. This is the section of our skin, and these are the root hairs which are present on our skin, and this is the sweat gland, which and it is the largest sense organ in our body, and it covers entire skeletal systems from object. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Gaurav Prajapat. I am student of class 12 Bio, Yes Public Senior Secondary School, Nagda. This is human heart. It is four-chambered and situated in thoracic cavity. This is the pumping organ of our body, and it takes deoxygenated blood from the kidney and oxygenate it and provide in the renal